Happy birthday, Kuya Miko. Good luck to your journey.
Hey! Happy birthday, Kuya Miko. Keep on your journey. Happy birthday, Brother Miko.
Happy birthday, Brother Miko. Enjoy your day and we're always here to support you and enjoy your day. Thank you.
Hello, good afternoon, Brother Miko. Happy birthday! How old are you?
Miko, happy birthday. Okay na yan. Kamusta, Brother Miko? Sana nasa mabuti ka lang kalagayan lagi. Stay healthy. Happy birthday, brother. Happy birthday, Brother Miko.
Hi, Miko. Shoutout nga pala sa kapatid kong napaka-diskarte. Happy birthday sa'yo. And, ayan, I wish you more birthdays to celebrate more years of success. Siyempre, alam ko marami ka nang na-achieve sa life. And, alam kong mas marami pa ang darating na achievements mo sa buhay. Ayun lang, stay humble, stay in God's plan, and be faithful always. And sabi mo nga, hashtag ka-faith lang. Love you, Mix, and ayun. God bless.
What's up sa kuya kong vlogger dyan na napaka-pogi? Yan ko lang sasabihin kasi birthday mo.
Happy birthday, Tito Miko! Wish you all the best and may God guide you and grant your wishes. Bye-bye! We love you! Say bye!
Birthday pa rin, Comics. Ingat ka palagi. I miss you. Mua.
Hi Miko, happy birthday. May God continue to bless you and your family. More success, happiness, and more birthdays to come. God bless you, keep safe, and happy birthday.
Happy birthday and I wish you all the best.
Hi Miko, happiest birthday. More birthdays to come. Ingat ka palagi. God bless. Miss you, classmate.
Miko, happy birthday.
Hi, Miko! Happy birthday, VM! Alam mo naman kung bakit VM yung tawag sa'yo. Stay safe and healthy. At always know that I am proud of you. At alam ko madami ka pang mararating dahil masipag ka. At saka matyaga. So, God bless sa career mo, sa love life. Kailan mag-aasawa? Happy birthday ulit! God bless! Miss you!
Happy birthday sa'yo. God bless lagi sa'yo at umuwi ka na dito at tayo magbabarik na.